my dad. Cliff, 1.3 miles. And we got some guests up here. It is 1:45. We're setting up camp early because it's gonna pour down rain around 3. We've covered 20 miles, a little over 20 since we started. I think we got about like anywhere between 10 and 15 miles left to cover before we get back to where we started on the loop. Dragon's Tooth is up ahead. We're on a ridge, the North Trail. I think tonight's gonna suck because we're gonna be sitting in a tent waiting for the rain to stop, and then we're gonna spend most of this day in the tent, but what are you gonna do? It's semi-raining, drizzly, wet out. I made a fire because I could. I'm just saying, I made a fire because I could. Even in the rain, even in the wet mountaintop, I made a fire. Water. We need water. We're on top of a mountain. You're not gonna find water on top of a mountain. I found the trail that goes down the mountain to get water. And unfortunately, I'm gonna have to go a mile before I intersect water. And would you look at that, it's the most difficult. Would you look at that? I found water. Yes! We got water! Hang out with your little friend. There you go. You guys are together. I had to take this little fire road to get off the mountain. There's just no way we're gonna make it to the end and back to the car. With all the rain that's happening, I just gotta get off this mountain. So this is our best option. Okay, I can see why this might be a private road, even though there was no sign marking it as such. There's some targets over there. Looks like there's been some shooting going on down there. I just came down from there and got a little shooting stand set up. A little tractor over there in the distance. But fortunately, no shooting's going on. Didn't hear anything, so I gotta continue on. I gotta get off this mountain.